Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to the Best Indicators for Traders and Investors, powered by barchart.com. Whether you're a trader looking to optimize your short-term strategies or an investor aiming for long-term gains, understanding the right indicators is key to success. And in this video, we'll walk you through the most important indicators for both trading and investing so that you can make smarter decisions on your journey. Let's start with the bar chart disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Under no circumstance shall we be liable for any loss or damage you or anyone else incurs as a result of any trading or investment activity that you or anyone else engages in based on any information or materials from barchart.com. Let's start with two key components for traders and investors: price action and volume. Price action refers to how a stock's price moves over the time without indicators. It's a raw look at the market. Volume, on the other hand, shows how much of a stock is being traded. Together, they help you gauge the strength of a move. For instance, a price breakout on high volume is a stronger signal than on low volume for both bullish and bearish price action across the market. Price action also indicates levels of support and resistance. We can see how old levels of resistance can become new levels of support. Number two is moving averages. Traders and investors use moving averages to spot trends and confirm market direction. The simple moving average smooths out price data to show the overall direction of the market, while exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices. The most common simple moving averages are the 20 and the 50 for short-term trades, and also the 100 and the 200-day moving averages for long-term trends. Number three, Relative Strength Index, RSI. This is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. A value below 30 suggests it's oversold, and above 70 means the stock is overbought. This tool is essential for spotting entries and exits. Number four, the moving average convergence and divergence, also known as the MACD. This is a trend following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of a stock's price. Traders often use the MACD for spotting momentum changes. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal. When it crosses below the signal line, it's bearish. So watch this for incoming trends. Number five, the TTM Squeeze. This is a volatility and momentum indicator that shows periods of consolidation before breakouts. It combines Bollinger Bands and Keltner channels, and when the Bollinger Bands squeeze into the Keltner channels, the market is in a low volatility phase, often followed by a strong price movement. Once the squeeze fires, it indicates the direction of the breakout. Now, in periods of very low volatility, this state is known as the squeeze. The on and off state of the squeeze is shown with small dots on the zero line of the indicator. Red dots indicate the squeeze is on, and green dots indicate the squeeze is off. The TTM Squeeze indicator also uses a momentum oscillator to show the expected direction of the move when the squeeze is fired. This histogram increases momentum above the zero line, indicating bullish momentum, while momentum falling below the zero line can indicate a bearish momentum. These indicators, price action, volume, moving averages, RSI, MACD, and the TTM Squeeze, are essential tools for every trader and investor, whether you're planning to trade actively or invest long term. Understanding and using these indicators can give you the edge you need in the market. To learn more about these indicators, go to barchart.com and click on the Learn tab, where you can get access to information, including stuff about the indicators we talked about today and a whole lot more. Now, once you've got those indicators, head over to our new interactive beta charts where you can start charting. We've even got these templates here where we've done all the work for you, so we can set your charts up like a pro and you can get started learning today. Now, if you learned something, make sure you like, share, and comment if you got any questions. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on those notifications. And head over to barchart.com to get all this for totally free.